Hello, my name is Neelam Raj. I am associated with Giridhari Homes since last 7 years. And after pandemic, we have felt some pinch of the sales, but now it is slowly picking up. So we are mostly into 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartment, which is affordable for middle class people. And our most of the properties are situated in Kismatpur, which is very near to Outer Ring Road, Apa Junction. And we focus more on the greenery because Kismatpur is surrounded by 6,000 acres of greenery. And mostly because that is agriculture university, the forest department and governments, and in the future projects will be coming and it will be less polluted area. And we have and mostly we focus on the greenery. The concept is greenery actually. And one more, and we have another property called View, which is of 12 towers, and this is besides Isa River, and it is and we'll hand over that to the same. And the demand is more for the 3 BHK and 2 BHK according to the experience we had, but more so because slowly the reality field is picking up, hopefully, and at the coming days, should be happy. Pandemic, everybody got scared actually after pandemic, not only realty industry, every industry. So we have felt that pinch actually. So slowly after COVID-2 situation now, the things are improving now. So hopefully it goes on like those. Response is very tremendous, and most of the clients who are coming now, very positive, very serious customers, not window shoppers, to be very honest, because we had such a great experience yesterday. And 70% of the visitors are seriously, they want to invest something for the future. Thank you for all.